Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin from Luno to another wallet. Okay, so whether you're sending to a friend or moving crypto to cold storage, this guide will show you exactly how to do it safely and easily. The first step I'd like you to take is to open the Luno mobile app from your app drawer and log in using your account credentials. Complete authentication using PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once you're on the home page, from the navigation bar at the bottom, go ahead and tap on the portfolio icon, typically represented by wallet. Then, from here, if you have set up your wallet, you're going to find your local currency wallet and your crypto wallet in here. So scroll down and select your Bitcoin wallet from this page. Once you tap on your Bitcoin wallet, inside the Bitcoin wallet, tap the blue send button. Tap the blue send button. Now, Luno asks where you want to send your BTC. Tap send to a wallet address. I hope you can find that. Now, you now have two options. Number one, paste the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address, copied from another app or source, or tap the QR code icon to scan the recipient's QR code. Now, double check the address. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Once you're there, type in the amount of BTC you want to send. You can toggle between BTC or your local currency. Then tap Next. Luno will now show a summary screen including the recipient address, amount of BTC, transaction fee, including Bitcoin network fee, and estimated confirmation time. If everything looks good, go ahead and tap Confirm. Now use your PIN, fingerprint, or face scan to complete a transaction. You see a confirmation screen and a receipt of the transaction. Tap on your Bitcoin wallet again. Scroll down to transaction history to view your recent send activity. Tap the transaction to view the blockchain confirmation status and transaction ID. And you're done. You've sent Bitcoin from Luno to another wallet securely and seamlessly. Remember, always double check wallet addresses before sending. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.